Hey guys, I will show you how to download songs from YouTube directly into MP3. You can do this on your computer, you can do this on your iPad, your tablet, your phone, mobile phone. It doesn't matter, you can do it on the most devices. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Right here I have a popular song. Many people do TikToks on it. Let me play a part of it, a small part, because you know copyright. So it's a very well-known song. Anyway, so what I want to do, I want this video right here into a song, into the MP3 format. So what I will do, I will go to my address bar here and I will type double PP at the end of the word YouTube. That is right here. So before the dot, type in double P and press enter. This will open another website for me where I can download this video in the format I want to and in which quality I want to. So right here we see the video. So what I want to do right now, I want to go to the second section, MP3. It will bring up ads, just close them. So I want to go to the section MP3 and now I want to download this song. So I can just press download. This will pop up another bar for you. So now press download MP3. It will open another tab, but you can close that. And what we have right here below, my song has been downloaded. So now I can play the song. It's on my computer, I have it. I can also bring it to other devices. We have a Windows Media Player. And now I have the song on my computer. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Subscribe for more. Thanks.